What I'm most excited about with the Kiln Yard is we get to offer new things to the community of makers here in Lakewood. I'm Erica Passage. I am the Cultural Programming Coordinator at Washington Heights. A kiln yard it's an outdoor space where we have atmospheric kilns, and a lot of times the results that come from work that's made in a kiln yard, it's very unpredictable, it's fun.
People come here to try something new, and I think there's a little bit of vulnerability in that. And it's also a place for us to create community. There's so much to learn in pottery, so going out into the kiln yard, learning alternative firings and allowing ourselves to do workshops creates an additional opportunity for my students to come in and learn more.
The beauty of a space like this is that nothing out here can be done alone. You have to have a community of people to not only help fill the kilns, but to help fire the kilns, and to also maintain the space. Nothing out here is a solo endeavor, which makes me excited because part of the fun and draw to ceramics is community, and this space will help to cultivate that immensely.
I'm excited to see people out there. You get to meet different people from different classes and different levels, and there's an energy in the kiln yard when things are firing, everybody's helping out. There's really nothing like that, seeing that and being a part of that.
This is just phase one as well. So phase two will give us a covered classroom, more teachable space. So it won't just be utilized for ceramics. We'll be able to do all the messy stuff out here, yet preserve the beauty of the interior of Washington Heights, which will be cool.